Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Ben and Raffa live scalping session. It's been a while because I was away on holiday, but I'm back in the seat, taking over from Raffa again. So, Raffa, how did you do last couple of weeks?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, thanks, Ben. Fortunately, you are back. Everyone was waiting for you, and I'm happy that you are here again. So, yeah, thanks, Soda. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen tonight with Ben. He's back from holiday, so welcome back, Ben.
Yeah, thanks. Good to be back. Yeah, let me just get the chart in there because that's what people are waiting for, of course. Also, if you're here on the chat, let us know you're here. Always leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to get notified about us doing a live streaming. It's always fun to watch, especially Thursday afternoons for us. For Raffa, it's evening, but that's all right.
Hello, Heidi.
Yeah, as always, we're doing quick scanner Thursday settings. Quickly show you if you've missed it. If you don't know what these mean, go back to the beginning. It's all explained. Find the information about the quick scanner. And yeah, we're already seeing a lot of these things. Yeah, I was gonna talk about something about trying to find slightly different entries as well, like looking like, because right now the entry is, of course, like if it breaks out of a Bollinger Band, then we expect it to reach the middle line. But I'm always wondering about like these moves and this. So you know where the Bollinger Band is very squeezed, and then it has a nice ramp up. Now, obviously, it needs to break out of the top Bollinger Band, and instead of going short here, we might consider going long actually and ride the wave all the way to the top. Because what I've noticed is that a lot of the times when there's like a lot of squeeze happening, the Bollinger Band is very, very narrow. If it breaks out of a band, either top or bottom, it usually continues to go that way first. So instead of jumping in straight away, it might actually be a good idea to wait a little bit longer. So don't get in, like, as soon as you see this curve here, don't get in here on a long, but maybe get in on a short. Does that make sense?
Makes a lot of sense. Yeah. It's a good idea, yeah. I mean, honestly, I think maybe we should try to spot the main trend first, and then for like a correction, we can enter following um, the strategy you just explained. So yeah, for example, right now, yeah, for example, this XPL looks like bullish trend. So when like the Bollinger Bands are really squeezed and narrow, and there is like drop about maybe 5% over the bottom, we could consider to enter long. Yeah. Or of course opposite if it's like a short trend.
Yeah. So
So
here we can see like a lot of sideways movement and then a breakout and then just a massive run up.
yeah, usually when Bollinger Bands are very squeezed, it's mean like it's accumulation phase or distribution phase. So there is a lot of liquidity. And when the liquidity is gone, the price just explodes immediately, upward or downward. So it depends on which one wins the battle between bull and bear. So if we can find the main trend and wait for like correction and maybe a little, you know, accumulation phase, then it's makes sense to get long. Yeah.
Okay.
Morning, Josele. Hello, G Doc 7067.
Also trying a little bit today with, because I was doing a little bit of backtesting today, trying to include some fair value gaps to determine some nice take profit targets as well.
Always the smart money indicator by Altrady.
Yeah. So I'm just going to have it on. I'm not going to say it's like, we'll see. We'll see. There was just a few things that I wanted to try slightly different today. Just to keep it interesting, to keep it fresh. Does that mean we'll get profitable trades? Meh, who knows? But I mean, this is looking like a short to me.
Yeah, the old strategy.
Yeah. So
going back to the old strategy.
Immediately.
Just spot a nice setup and catch it up.
Yeah, I mean, I was playing with the 3 minutes on the 3 minutes. So looking at some target, like this fair value gap could be a nice target. Yeah. By the way, was there any interesting news today? Should we be looking for longs or shorts? Is there anything on the calendar?
Today was just released the US GDP and unemployment, and that's it. So the market is quite flat also today. Bitcoin is bouncing back up, and Ethereum keeps staying in the trading range, but no other news soon are gonna be released.
We're getting a nice candle close here with a nice shooting star, but it just continues to go. We do want to see a red candle, because we want to see that the price is actually going down. How many trades did you manage to do last week? Was it 4 or 5, something like that?
Yeah. Actually, it started very well, and at the end, I just closed some trades at break even. But overall, yeah, not too bad. So yeah, around 3, 4. So I counted. It was like the profit. The last session was around 2%, and the previous one better. The first session was really good. Yeah.
Like the candle is turning red, RSI is dropping. This could be an interesting entry. But I do want to wait until the last minute, really, because as we all know, people trading on the minute charts, scalping on minute charts, they can still change their minds and push the price up when it stays outside of the Bollinger Band. And then we might see something like this, because this was a candle close, but this type of candle is not really great, because it's followed by these, and then you have this one, slight pullback, and then a continuation. So this means that this is just a pullback trade on the minute charts.
Yeah. This scenario looks exactly as the one on my last session. I entered 3 times because of that wrong setup. So I just entered too quickly, and then the price get reversed, and I enter again twice and then 3 times, and at the end I just close it at break even. So I think everyone here remember that episode. Yeah,
I think I'll risk this one. just to get the first trade in, get our hands dirty.
Dirty fingers.
Yeah, we've got 13 seconds left. If it doesn't close in as a red candle, I'm not happy, but it looks like it will. There we go.
So we have 4 fair value gaps.
Yeah.
Based on our indicator.
And I'm just playing with it today, right? I was just checking, like, is there something that we could use here? Can we play with the fair value gaps?
First time we are trying it. We have never used it before.
No, but I was always like you're always searching for a target here, but then we're using the middle line of this one, but that keeps moving, right? So there's no guarantee that price will move there. But obviously, from the smart money concept, we understand that fair value gaps are usually magnets for the price. So if we can set our target to the beginning of a fair value gap, then that's a magnet for the price. So that's interesting. All right, and we're starting with 173, by the way. Let's see how much profit we can squeeze out today in terms of percentages, of course, because I understand this is demo trading, demo accounts, or demo funds, really. This is live trading, live money, real money. This is not faking anything. So we're going to be looking at how much can we increase our currency balance in terms of percentage. And if we can get a couple percent, that's great. Even though it might be peanuts in terms of net profit, if it's 1% on 100, it can also be 100% on 1,000 or 10,000, and then those numbers can be very significant. Obviously, we're doing this with demo money because if we're doing this with a full trading account, I don't want to be forced to place trades within the hour and forced to close them within the hour, so that there's enough entertainment value for people to watch. Like, obviously, forced trading can be, forced trading is a lot riskier than when you can actually take your time and maybe just skip a whole hour of trading because the market is just not there, right? So those are the reasons why we do what we do. But nonetheless, we do tend to get some profits during these streams.
Wise words. 90% of trading is just waiting, and 10% is click.
You can see entering. So it entered this fair value gap. So that's interesting. Get this nice white Bollinger Band. There's a lot of room to move inside it. It's taken out. It's almost taken out this fair value gap. I might even consider just getting out at the first. So just make it like so that we get out earlier. Ah, there we go.
Oof.
Nice. That's always fun. While you're editing, trying to take the profit, the price says, But it's interesting, right, to see that it did half the fair value gap and then continues to move. So
oh my god, look at this candle. Crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I'm glad we're out. Right, so minor loss. All right. If I hadn't touched it, we would have been less, but okay. But there's another opportunity to short. Is there any news for ZK?
ZK. Let's see what is.
This is
90 million daily volume.
That's a massive move. I think I don't like this type of move. I'm going to skip this market. That move is bad because that move, if it's a 4% in 3 minutes, and we're playing with like slow. Yeah, this is a better move, right? That's less. It's way less. Using my short key, obviously. And then a nice fair value gap right here. One. What is this? Can we set it tight and get it to but it's already so. Should we be like, what's Bitcoin doing actually?
Bitcoin is going up, and
it's going exactly where I did. So annoying. Took out this for
trading.
Yeah, I've missed this trade. Annoying. I was considering entering here, and then letting this one, but the indecision of where to place the take profit meant that I took too long.
Maybe it's a signal that we should try the new strategy.
Do it like that.
Bitcoin rising 1.5%, and actually Solana is doing very well. Solana is rising like crazy.
It's not in this case. I mean, it's I do want to check. Oh, we get a long opportunity. Although this might be. Yeah, this is a sideways movement. There is a lot of liquidity here.
Yeah.
This can be a very long trade. That's the only problem with this. It's like this might be a good trade. No, it's too far. Need this one. So the old strategy was just this.
Yeah.
We have a nice risk reward ratio, so that's actually good. Is the RSI is good. Can we zoom in a little bit now? Can we time this a little bit better? Mm-hmm. Okay. It's a very tight stop loss. True scalping style. Okay. That's unfair. I'm a bit rusty today. I blame it on the holiday.
Because of due to the holiday ban, don't worry. Yeah, that's nice to hear, Bianca. Yeah, quick scan is wonderful tool. So if you try to use it many times, that you get the good results. So you are the proof. The PSR, what is that?
Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR. It's an indicator. That's
Indicator.
I can't see. What's RSI doing? Only now getting the crossover. 36 seconds left. This is a good. You can get this to move. 12 seconds. And then we'll see whether this market will go to. Or just continue to go sideways. It's always an option. I mean, I do like this. I mean, this was a beautiful one. Can we get something here as well? Nice little like extra breakup.
Yeah.
Spending too much time on this. I want to go to the next one. That's already like so damn beautiful. B and S. Ina CK. Oh, look, reached. But look at this. Like, you can't trade this. It's impossible. It does move, but it's impossible to trade that. Yeah, that's also not what we want. Not what we want. Yeah, there's definitely shorts here. Is my risk ratio? It's terrible. Can we get a fill here? Yeah. Break even is here.
Wow. Red knife is falling.
Definitely moving that to profitable position. Don't want to get it into a loss. Nice. Moving that. And this is a very good move.
My compliment, Ben.
Gonna lock in more. This is the type of move that we want to see, right? Just nice, thick, fat moving, fast candles. Yep, that's profit. Take that. That's nothing. Link. Hey, hello, Link. Tree. So currently still down $2. 2 trades. Closed. Yeah. 3 trades today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Amazing. Useless.
Oh, B is going again. You see this B, if this one...
Definitely long.
Yeah. If this one breaks out here, you can go long. Like, but if it, like here, you could see this slow descent and then the breakout here. That's... We need to watch out for those. They can be very interesting. Potentially. Like this one. Is it? Here. Yeah, this is a good one. Some potential for long here.
Hello, Johnny. No worries, we are here for more other 30 minutes, so just enjoy your time here. You can always watch the live later. But Ben already had very nice trade. Actually, 2 trades, one big profit.
Yeah,
Around
one
4%.
One was in profits, but then we get a 4-minute or 4% candle in a minute.
Yeah.
The other side. That's always when that happens, that's always annoying.
Yeah, so actually we didn't have the time to stop the order because the candle was too fast and quick.
I mean, the first liquidity is here. It's an interesting idea. I mean, this type of candle is a good one. RSI is almost oversold as well. Yeah. Just a couple more minutes, and then we'll know what this candle is going to do. Will it be a lower low, or will it actually be green? So tempting to just want to, punch the buy button. It's the restraint.
Mm.
I mean, obviously there's a price here on the 3 minutes.
Yeah, still a bit far.
Is it possible to show quick scan settings? Of course. 1,000,022, and that's it. Also, if people are running the quick scanner and they find something while I'm doing this, shout out. Let us know. Like, let me know if there's a market that is more interesting to that is almost ready to buy instead of this one. Happy to take requests. Together, we might be able to find the perfect move.
More people, more opportunities.
I remember from last time where, was it Heidi? Heidi, you had a really, really nice trade, 5% or something, that we were in sort of together. Obviously, you were in a little bit earlier than we were, so your profit was better. I'm liking this now. Can we get a fill? Yes, it was Heidi. Well, Heidi, if you have suggestions, you're more than welcome. Let's get in. Okay. So far on the trades, the entries have been good. It's just the stop loss was too tight, or we had a massive move in the opposite direction after that. But the first initial reaction of this this entry is okay. A gold. Okay. Too late. Let's have a look.
A GLD, but we are too late.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Hard
Look at that.
to enter though, because the candle close was here, so that's already taking your profit away.
So did you trade a GLD ID? Did you have any trade on that?
Not now. No, I'm in Somi.
Just to show you. Okay. I thought.
Yeah,
I
because
didn't-
Heidi, but didn't. Yeah, no, I don't think Heidi's in this because the trade to enter would have been here. So that's 8 minutes ago. I mean, if she's in, yeah, it's a good trade. Nice. That's a nice bounce.
Oh, okay.
That's a shame. Okay, I'm gonna pin this one. This looks like it's gonna be a bit slower. We can do more. Oh, ID. Oh yeah, that was a profitable trade. I mean, I like the direction of this market. This could be the pullback and the continuation to here. You know, there's obviously another place to enter, because it could be that we enter on that one and then we sort of take profit there. So we enter on the break of the upper side of the Bollinger Band. Or the middle line, I should say. Are you going in on a GLD for long? It was a nice pullback though. So it could be a nice pullback trade.
Yeah.
You know what? I really like the thing about the quick scanner that I like is that you can find so many different entries for different strategies. Like here, this is not necessarily a Bollinger Band or extreme enter of the Bollinger Band, but this can be the middle line Bollinger Band. But you could do any type of strategy on, as long as it's on 3 minutes. You're just looking for volatility in the market. That's exactly what the quick scanner will tell you. Like a quick, fast move on a market.
Yeah, and volatility is everything in market. So if you don't like a setup, you just can switch and look for another one. So it's amazing.
Now we have to wait for this to close because we don't want it to be like this. And we don't want it to be like this. We want to see a continuation. And there's plenty of room, right? Because if it does, then, well, where can it go? Quite a bit. Don't even know. Yeah, this is. You see the Bollinger Band is narrowing as well.
Yeah. Are compressing.
So we'll give it like this, and then we'll do. Actually, go. We can get it comes off here, maybe. Yeah. Oh, hello. Need to look back at the other order. Let's see. I'm just going. Is my risk okay? Yeah. Risk is okay. Look at this.
Wow. Ban the sniper.
Gonna lock in that profit. I don't care if it's less than what it was, than what we could, but we're scalping here. We want to get our funds into the next trade. "30 seconds left. If it closes, I will enter there. If it reaches, then it's also fine." Okay. Looks like we might get stopped out on this one. There is. No, that's the buy from the other one. $10 and we'll get another minute in. And that's a new candidate on the minutes. Yeah. That will be stopped out. Maybe stop loss a little bit too tight, but that's okay. How's the other one doing? Let's go find another one. Yeah, you see, this is like that move, then you get this one, and then you get this long move down.
Yeah.
I mean, this trade would have been. Ooh. But now we're getting close to a reversal.
Actually, it's a long trade because
Yeah.
many 3 minute candles was 5% in like maybe 1 hour compared to the one you have in 2-3 candles.
Yeah. So Somi is closed. Let's
It
see.
took the stop loss.
Hey,
Only XPL.
it's a nice height. As well. Let's see what this candle will do. I mean, this would have been a first entry decision, but this is then the next. This is like that little sweep. Question is, will we get another sweep or will we get the reversal? This is slow, very slow. It's not a green candle. So I'll just have to wait and see. Ah, look. Nice. Can lock this one. Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah, this one was closed in profit. So. Close this one. Ooh. Yeah, these are some spectacular candles.
Ooh.
$16 seconds. Oh, damn it! Oh,
No way.
I saw it moving. I was like,
What? It's impossible to trade like this. This is too volatility, too much volatility.
Yeah, a 1% in or 2% in a couple seconds.
Half second.
This looks like a decent one. If we can get in still. Oh, these are good indications. Two minutes. Okay. It's a bit of a gamble, but I think I want to be this. This is going to be my last trade to take. No, wait for my order. Please take it with you. There we go. Okay. Pin the tap. This is that sideways slowness.
Yeah. We can expect a big move on XPL.
It did touch that fair value gap here. Let's see if we can get some green candles. Because we do need to see some green to get that recovery. Let's just keep an eye on these. A lot of support and resistance here anyway. Like this line is very tried and tested a lot of times. I don't mind getting in. Just a little bit steeper. Getting to here. I mean, yeah. What does this do? That's 2. That's a true scalp. 3. Volatility in the beginning was definitely higher than it is now.
Yeah. Let me check a little bit what Bitcoin and others are doing.
RSI is dipping below, that's good. Yeah. Let's see if we can get the bounce. All right, that's it for the day. No more new trades. Now, if we can just get a nice pop on any of the three. I mean, this is so close. Like, really, it's really trying to break out at some point.
Yeah,
So
at some point, at some point it will fly upward.
we got, yeah, they're all longs.
Yeah, Bitcoin is rising strongly, and Solana is like almost 7%.
Yeah,
Look at beautiful it is.
nice. Is it all-time high? All-time high is 300.
No, not yet. We close. Altcoin season has just started.
So what we've been saying for so long, altcoin season is
Yeah, last year, 2 years ago, and finally.
come on, play nice. Again, bounce is good. This bounce was not so good. Here we go. Come on. Go. I'm aiming for the top of this fair value gap, by the way. In case you're wondering, why do you have your take profit just randomly placed? It's not randomly placed. It's just close to the top of the fair value gap. I mean, this might be. It's a good bounce. These 3-minute candles are taking long. I'm feeling like I'm staring at the same candle. Look at this. We're gonna see the top of the Bollinger Band. I'm gonna just move this back in here because Otherwise, it will break out of the Bollinger Band, and that's more likely than to continue to go down. That's not what we want. Let's just set up trailing stop loss as well. So currently, it's not active yet because it has not touched it. As soon as it will, I mean, the expectation here still is that it's going to be like touching and then slowly going up along this line.
Yeah.
But it's nice to showcase that we have trailing stop losses and trailing take profits, of course. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna do the same with this one, I suppose. And how is bio doing? It's the same, so we're just gonna be setting up our protections, ensuring that when these continue to move, that we actually lock in the profits immediately. Yep, this one locked in. That's nice. This one's not yet locked in. So that means that prompt will most likely not be a losing trade. Maybe small bit, unless we get like this candle again. Do you remember that from last time? Just 5 minutes at the end of the stream, you get bombarded with a 6% candle.
Unbelievable. It's still stick in my mind.
Yeah, it's interesting if this bounces off this this fair value gap. No lock in yet. No lock in yet.
Bio and prompt, they have the same pattern. They are
Yeah.
a copy.
Yeah. Get a fair value gap here. This is actually a good candle.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Nice small pullback on the minute. Like you can see how that works. See, it's going up, pullback, and then, well, it doesn't have to be the same candle, but
yeah, good sign. It needs more time to charge the spring and keep going up.
because this is also that pullback. So as you said, yeah, see, pullback to 3 minute fair value gap, and then nice reaction of it. Also, you can see that this is on the 1 minute Bollinger Band. We're now breaking, touching, and then continuing. So all this information is showing really good signs. Obviously, it's still trading. It's still crypto. Anything can happen. But yeah, the same here. I don't like this stop loss here. It's too close. That's better. Refined. See, it's just on the minute. It was that pullback. So on the 3 minutes, it's you see it here as well. Nice, touching the upper side. And if we go back to the minute, trading above it, going outside. This is going to follow that trend, or is a high probability of following this trend up. So, yeah. All right. Well, I don't think we're going to wait for these now because it's 5:10 for me. So it's time to head out. I want to thank everyone for watching, and thank you, Raffa, for joining me again.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Ben. Good time.
We'll see next week how the trades have been. Yeah, see if we can maintain our balance. And
For
then
sure.
we'll see you again next Tuesday for our smart money concept backtesting session, and otherwise next week for the quick scan session. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.